Oh, finally. Hello, you guys. Finally. Because this was a very big thing for me to start a YouTube channel, and this is my very first video, so I'm super nervous. So, yeah, let's get started. Hello, you guys. I'm Shweta, and I am going to be posting a lot of fitness vlogs and about a lot about hypothyroidism, which I'm going through. And yeah, you're going to see a lot of fun vlogs too, and which is going to be mostly about fitness. Okay, you guys, the very first video that I'm going to talk to you about is 10 things that you should know if you are on your weight loss journey. So we think about a lot of things and a lot of factors before we start, or before you think to lose weight. There are some sacrifices too, so I'm going to be including those also in these. So the very 10 I've got to you guys. So this is my very first video, I'm super nervous, so I might miss some points undelivered. So I just wrote in a diary so I don't miss anything, and I talk to you guys about all the points. First thing that you have to know is planning and research. So each one of us have a different reason to we think to lose weight. I have a medical problem, so I want to lose weight. So many of us have different goals and reason why they want to lose weight. But before you find your reason, and next what you're going to do is planning. So you have to plan and research what is your problem, why you're not losing weight, and why are you gaining weight, everything. And you have to do research about what can be done, what is the diet that can be taken, and what are the food that can be taken. And this is what I personally did. I'm going to tell the 10 points that I'm going to talk to you about is that I follow, and that gave me actually the results that it said. So yeah, so you guys have to first go on research, like sit in a place, search your questions, get answers, write it down, and come to a point. So that is really important. Planning is really important. The second thing is being consistent, you guys. Oh my god, you should have seen a lot of fitness vloggers saying this, that you should be consistent. I also say that because that is true. Now you got your reason, now you researched and you planned everything, you know what you're gonna do, but you shouldn't be giving up on what you're gonna do. So that is the second most important thing that comes. You have to be consistent, concentrated, and you have to be so much patient and involving. And the third point is being able to track on your medical conditions. So I have hypothyroidism, so I have to be checking my thyroid levels very often, and I have to be asking my doctor or on what I should eat, on what I should avoid, on what diet I can follow or I should follow. So that is very important. I can't go on a random diet, or random crash diet, or anything that anyone says having a medical condition. So that is a very third important thing that you guys have to follow. Fourth one is choosing healthy fats. Oh my god, I insist on this point so badly because this has changed everything. My skin, this showed a positive effect on my weight loss, you guys. A lot of you have heard people saying like don't eat fat, especially coconut oil and such things, but those are healthy fat, you guys. You guys need healthy fat, like a very good example that I can say, you guys, we should be like having superfoods which are like our local food, and instead of going for bacon, broccoli, sausage, and those kind of food, we should trust our local food. So I personally prefer peanuts over almond. Yes, because I know this might sound so idiot thing, but yes, you might have heard people saying, don't eat peanuts, you will gain weight, but peanut does have good, weight loss properties, and I believe in that. So, fifth thing is including cardio in your workout routine. At least thrice a week, you can go walking, jogging, cycling. You can, dance, heavy song and a dance. Anything might go, but you should make your heartbeat raise, and that is all. Do cardio, you guys. Sixth point, you guys, this I follow till date, except some days, is that dinner before 7 o'clock, maximum 7 o'clock, dinner before 7 o'clock, because they say that our digestive system is related to the sun from rising to setting. So, after the sunset, our digestive system really doesn't work that much, effectively. So you should give that a little rest, and you should definitely do your dinner before 7. And you shouldn't be stressing on your body that much, because you don't have really that much of a work after 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock. Have a very light dinner, or don't have dinner at all. Have a milk with turmeric, and that's all. Go to sleep. And the seventh thing, you guys, everybody are saying, even my mom says, dad says, everyone says, sleep, sleep, sleep. Yes, sleep is where all your effort that you put works on. When you sleep, the entire day that you have worked for your weight loss works there. So you definitely have to sleep, and that sleep point doesn't mean you have to sleep for hours and hours. No, 7 to 8 hours you should sleep. If you are a working person or someone who study a lot or something, at least 6 hours, you guys. That sleep is so much necessary. Especially, you shouldn't be awake from 1 to 3. It should be your deep sleep period. So you should be sleeping, and yeah, sleep is a very important. Eighth most important thing is water and water periods. Yes, what is this water periods? Water periods, it's where you should know when to drink water. There are some times where you feel hungry but not actually hungry, you're actually thirsty. So whenever you feel such a way, go drink a cup of water and wait for some time. If you're no more feeling that way, then you are not at all hungry. So drink water, drink a lot of water, but no excess of water. Okay, drink a lot of water. You should also know when to drink. Like, there are sometimes people say you shouldn't be drinking water after you have food or before having food. That has a lot of reasons. I'll upload an exclusive video for water and water periods, so stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel. Most important that I followed in my weight loss is cooking myself. Yes, cooking yourself for your weight loss thing is very, very important, because whenever you cook for yourself, because you have some limitations, right? You have to have this much, that much, and also whenever you cook, your mom will be like pouring extra oil so that you like it with extra oil. She does that. But when you cook for yourself, you should you will know, like, this is the amount I have to put. I shouldn't be over adding, and that will help you a lot. You know what you put in that, and that will make you super cautious, and that is a good thing. So I follow. The last 10th most important thing is using small cups and small plates. So do not eat in packets, you guys. This I heard a lot of people saying this, but I've never followed. But recently I'm following. If at all I'm eating any chips or anything, I don't eat in a full of package, getting the old packet and having it. So just have it in a bowl or plate, or make your plate so small, especially blue plates. Some researchers are saying that blue plate will suppress your appetite and make you eat less and enough. So I use blue plates to eat my food. Have small plate so that when you put food on that, you will feel like the plate is full. So this is the limit. So that is a very important thing. Use small plates and small cups. So that's it for today's videos, you guys. I hope you guys found this video really informative and helpful. So if you are a person who are planning to get started with workout or losing weight, you definitely will find this helpful. And please do follow these 10 steps, 10 important things, lifestyle changes that I've told you guys, and you guys will definitely see some changes as I did. Yeah, so make sure you subscribe to my channel, you guys. I come up with a lot of informative videos on weight loss and hypothyroidism and how I maintain it and all about it. We're gonna talk a lot, and I'm gonna bring you guys a lot of information. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.